In the dusty cotton fields outside Lubbock, Texas, lived a boy named Eli Navarro. Eli's shoes flapped like broken wings, his backpack was held together with duct tape, and some nights the only thing in the fridge was ketchup packets. But inside Eli burned a dream bigger than the West Texas sky. He wanted to build something that would lift his family out of the dirt forever. Every time he talked about it, the laughter came fast. Boy, you can't even keep lights on. How are you going to run a company? Those words stung, but Eli refused to let them put out his fire. One scorching afternoon, he sat alone on the banks of the dry Playa Lake, skipping rocks and fighting tears. An old man in a faded denim shirt and boots older than Eli himself walked up. Folks called him Mr. Calderon, retired science teacher who still tutored kids for free. Mr. Calderon handed Eli a small hand mirror. "Look close, son. What do you see?" Eli shrugged. "A broke kid with holes in his shoes." "Wrong," the old man said gently. "Look past the dust. See that spark behind the tired eyes? That's your belief. Most folks let the world cover it with dirt. You keep polishing that mirror every single day with hard work and courage, and it'll light your way when everything else goes dark." Eli carried that mirror home in his torn pocket like it was solid gold. He started waking at 4, studying by flashlight before school. After classes, he bussed tables at the truck stop diner, then fixed cracked phone screens in the back of the barber shop for cash. Weekends, he shadowed the town mechanic, learning wiring and engines. Nights, when the trailer was quiet, he read library books on business and tech until his eyes burned. Sleep became optional. Giving up was not. Years rolled by. Eli saved every dime, turned a corner of his uncle's shed into a repair bench, then rented a tiny storefront on the edge of town. One shop became 3. Then he designed his own rugged phone cases built for ranch hands and oil rig workers. Orders poured in from across the state. The same people who once laughed now lined up outside his warehouse begging for jobs. His mama got the treatments she needed. His dad never had to break his back in the cotton rows again. One Sunday, Mr. Calderon walked into the new headquarters. Eli dropped everything and hugged him like family. The old man looked around, eyes shining, and said, "You kept that mirror clean, son. The world told a poor kid to dream small. You dreamed big anyway, and rewrote the whole story." Moral of the story: your beginning never gets the final say. Dreams aren't measured by the money in your pocket today. They're measured by the fire you refuse to let anyone put out. Keep polishing your mirror with daily action, and one day the world will see the same giant you always saw in yourself.